All right, first of all, thank you for your purchase. I'm going to show you how to download this file and use it on your iPad. Sorry, you can see my reflection, but it's just me virtually waving at you. So you're going to go to download now. It's going to pop up here, and there's my reflection. Hello. You are going to want to save this somewhere that you know where it is. So I'm just gonna minimize it here. I'm gonna go to my downloads, and I'm just going to drag the file onto my desktop so I know exactly where it is at. So you'll see right there is the file, and now I'm gonna grab my iPad and show you what to do next. Okay, so again, sorry about the reflection, but you're gonna click on the file and you're gonna go to share, and then you're gonna click AirDrop. And an option is going to come up for your iPad. So you're gonna click iPad and it will start sending it. And then on your iPad, it's gonna give you options of where you would like to put it. Hold on, sorry. This is wonky, one-handed. You're gonna click Good Notes. And it's gonna ask you, where do you wanna put it? And you're going to select Import as New Document. And there you go. It'll put it in a brand new little document on Good Notes. And when you go back, it'll be saved there under Daily Digital Schedule, Mint Arrows. You can click on it and you'll be good to go.